Genius trick to cooking chicken that everyone should know. Start by opening a chicken breast in half, butterflying it. Then cover with plastic wrap and pound it well with a meat mallet. Once you've done that, in a medium bowl, add 3 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and whisk until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Then add parsley to taste, 40 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and mix everything very well. Then, in another medium bowl, add a 240 milliliter cup of wheat flour and bread the butterflied chicken, first by coating it in the wheat flour, then dipping it in the egg mixture. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Now in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and stir until melted. When that happens, add the chicken we prepared and fry it until golden brown on both sides. This is the right point. Remove the chicken from the heat, and in the same skillet, add 150 milliliters of chicken broth, parsley to taste, 3 crushed garlic cloves, the juice of half a lemon, another tablespoon of unsalted butter, and stir until the butter melts. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. When that happens, add the fried chicken. Cover the skillet and let it cook for 7 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.